Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a phone number in Xoom. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna go to your website and you're gonna simply search in app how do I update my information or how do I change my number. As soon as you do that, help center article from the Xoom PayPal itself will appear. Go ahead, tap on it, and this is how the interface gonna look like. Then here you will land. Now you can see you can update your information on my account under settings or click the following links to do so. If you cannot do it through my account and change your number, you're going to go through these links and choose an option of phone number. Once you do that, you just have to wait for a while for it to load the page. Now simply go ahead, log in this website itself, and go ahead, add in the number that you would like to change to and remove the previous one. As of the verifying process, you will be receiving a code in your number itself. Go ahead, put in the code to verify that it is you who is changing the number, and then you're good to go. That is how basically you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.